thank you for everyone that came over from Amanda's channel and for my returning subscribers. Yesterday I went to town because it was payday and it was a long day. I didn't get back home till like 8:30 or 9. That's why this video is late, because I usually post it on Wednesdays. But today I'm going to start with Sunshine and Chaos, Cooking and Budgeting and Cooking. And this is her season's book she gifted me. And I'm going to start December. And I have 5, 6, 7, 8. And I roll the 3-sided die until the money's gone. So we're on the last page, 2 pages for this month, and then I'm going to count it at the end of the month. 3, 2, so that's 5, 6, I'll just put 3 and put 8 in. Yeah. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to stick it in here. And then I'm going to do my Flintstone Binder from Onyx, Budget for Success. And I won this in a giveaway. And I love it. I'm sad that it's over. It's almost over. I just have this one challenge. And I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And let's see. And this one saves $75, so it's a big one. Well, big to me. So let's do the 10. The 10 and then 3 5s. So 1, 2, and 3. For 25. And then I'm going to do my A5 binder. And so for this one, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and I think 20 or 25 ones. I think it's $50. And I'm going to start back here on my Reindeer challenge. Oops. Let's see. And hopefully I'm in view. I'm going to put 7. So 5. Actually, I'm going to put 10. Let's see. I'm going to do 2 5s. Oh, and my landlord gave me, I know fall's, well, I guess it's still fall. She gave me this Happy Fall, and it's a cup of butterscotch. I love butterscotch candies. That was really sweet of her. And she made me a pumpkin roll, which I've eaten like half of it. It's really good. She makes it like every Thanksgiving for me. So next up is Omar Craft and Budgets. And I do this one, $5. They must all be 5. So 5. And then next is for my friend Jasmine at MS Mom Budgets. This is part of her Ko-fi membership. And I'm going to do this bottom. We'll do one more. That's a 2 and 6. $8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And then next is from the Budgeting Sisters. And I'm gonna do 2 because and then Merry Christmas from Ellie and Earth. I got this for Christmas last year. And I'm going to do 3. 1, 2, 3. And then MS Mom Budgets. I'm going to just do 1. I'm going to do this top one. $5. So 5. And then, oops, this is my little Chihuahua Christmas. I'm going to do this for my winter savings. And I'm going to roll a 3-sided and a 6-sided. 6, 9. So, let's see. 5 and a 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then to the front, this one is from Annie's Little Savings. And I'm just gonna roll a 3. Okay. $3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I was like, where's the other money? And then my turkey, Thanksgiving turkey. I'm gonna do this bottom one. $5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all the money. I went fast. I shouldn't have done the two spots on the other challenges. But that's all I have for today. I need to film my tinies. I'm going to try to do that tomorrow. So I'm going to try to get it up on Thursday because that's the day I usually do it. But I hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.